Garden Innovations Limited, the UK's leading manufacturer and supplier of innovative, environmentally friendly watering systems and devices, are introducing another world's first, the Smart Valve. The Smart Valve is a compact, robust water control valve which is activated by a non-powered polymer moisture sensor, invented by Professor Neil Graham and further developed and tested over the last 5 years by his highly respected research team at SmartaSaker Limited. The unique Smart Valve allows plants to regulate and receive their own water requirements. The valve offers high flexibility with its clever, fully adjustable water depth regulator, which provides horticultural growers with varying water depths or water volumes in plant growing trays, hydroponic plant growing systems, or even in simple holiday watering solutions, utilising capillary matting. At last, amateur gardeners can now go on endless holidays, leaving their plants in the safe care of Smart Valve, and not having to rely on their neighbours. Water is delivered from any commercial reservoir, water butt or plastic container. The domestic kit comes with all the parts to connect from a container. For commercial uses, the irrigation tubes are compatible with standard industrial irrigation tubing. Simply connect up your Smart Valve, place it in a tray and off it goes. A number of Smart Valves can be connected together to water on a larger scale. To alter the amount of water in your growing trays, simply twist the adjustable depth regulator on the valve. It couldn't be easier. The Smart Valve is designed to be used with hydroponic or capillary matted growing trays, as is shown here with the new Thirst Aid hydrophilic foam from SmartaSaker and Garden Innovations Limited. So how easy is it to use? Attach the water supply tube to the rotating flexi-tube inlet pipe. Tubes ranging from 4 to 6 mm internal diameter can be used. Turn the Smart Valve to the desired setting to achieve the water depth you want in the tray. We recommend setting 2 for the first use. Connect the irrigation line to your water reservoir container and off it goes. Simply place your Smart Valve in the chosen plant tray, select a position which will allow free flow of air to circulate around the Smart Valve. The Smart Valve will work in any flat horticultural tray which holds water. Raise the reservoir approximately 20 cm off the floor in order to increase the gravity-fed water pressure to the Smart Valve. Then fill the reservoir with water. At this stage, plant food can be added to the water. Open the water supply. The tray will now start to fill to the water depth at which you've set the water depth sensor window. When this is reached, the Smart Valve will shut off the flow of water from the reservoir. Once the Smart Valve is in operation, as the water in the tray is used up by the plants, the Smart Valve will open gradually, at a rate dependent upon how much water your plants require. Note the tray may be completely dry for some time, even a day. This allows your plants to have a healthy and natural wet and dry cycle for their roots. As the Smart Valve delivers water to the tray, the capillary matting takes it to the plants. If the plants need more water, they'll absorb more. If they require less water, they'll absorb less. Unlike manual or timer-based systems, the Smart Valve gives growers and gardeners the huge advantage of a completely natural wet and dry cycle. Therefore, plants can never be over or underwatered. The system eliminates cold shock and anaerobic bacterial root infections and diseases that are caused by overwatering. The Smart Valve makes redundant the flood and drain methods used by many large-scale horticultural growers, and also eliminates the costly and lengthy process of disposing of the resulting effluent as required by the EU Water Framework Directive. The Smart Valve has been thoroughly tested by the internationally renowned research organisation Horticultural Research International. The Smart Valve, when compared with manual and powered systems, offers impressive cost savings and substantial water usage and labour savings. In fact, it could be said, the Smart Valve is a valve for all reasons.